How to cancel reservation on Airbnb. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can cancel your reservation on Airbnb, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to cancel your reservation on Airbnb, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Airbnb application, and let's just say that you've happened to go ahead and then actually turn on many of these bookings and you've basically went ahead and then reserved some trips and so on. And what if you want to go ahead and then delete those trips? Well, it's actually quite simple. If you look at the bottom of the screen here, you'll find this option called trips, and when you come to trips section, you'll be able to see all of the trips that you've made on Airbnb, including even the rooms as well as the reservations that you've made and booked. Once you find a specific trip that you would like to cancel it, you can select them, and after that you can just select the trip and then cancel them accordingly by following the on-screen instructions. It's quite simple to do so, and this way you'll be able to cancel reservations on Airbnb. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.